Corsair Vengeance RGB Pro DDR4 16GB, 2x8GB, is an enticing offering for those looking to add some flair to their PC build without breaking the bank. With a price tag around $55 to $65, this RAM provides a perfect blend of style, performance, and affordability. While it's not the fastest memory on the market, it stands out for its solid balance of features that cater to both gamers and PC enthusiasts. In terms of speed, this kit is clocked at 3,200 MHz with a CAS latency of 16. While not groundbreaking, it's more than adequate for most everyday computing and gaming tasks. Many users looking for high-speed performance might prefer faster DDR4 options, but for those who prioritize value, the Vengeance RGB Pro delivers a competitive option at this price point. It supports Intel XMP 2.0, which means you don't need to manually tweak settings for optimal performance. Just enable XMP in your BIOS, and you're good to go. One of the standout features of the Corsair Vengeance RGB Pro is, of course, the RGB lighting. It's not just flashy for the sake of being flashy, though. Corsair's ICUE software allows you to fully customize the lighting effects. You can sync the RAM's RGB with other Corsair peripherals, creating a unified aesthetic across your entire setup. For those who love to personalize their PC, this is a big plus. The RAM modules themselves are well designed, with sleek black heat spreaders and a wide array of vibrant colors that can be easily tweaked to match your build's theme. Although it integrates seamlessly with Corsair's ICUE software, it's worth noting that the RGB lighting might not be as advanced or as bright as some higher-end models. That being said, at this price range, it offers an impressive display. The RAM modules are also relatively slim, meaning they won't obstruct large CPU coolers, making installation a breeze even in cramped cases. One drawback to consider is that this RAM is limited to the DDR4 standard, which may not appeal to those building with future-proofing in mind, as DDR5 is becoming more popular in high-end systems. However, for those building or upgrading a mid-range PC or gaming rig, DDR4 remains a solid choice that still offers excellent performance. In conclusion, Corsair Vengeance RGB Pro DDR4 16GB, 2x8GB, offers a great combination of decent performance, ease of use, and customizable aesthetics at an attractive price. It's an excellent choice for gamers or PC builders looking to add some personality to their build without overspending on RAM. While it may not break any speed records, it delivers reliable performance, seamless RGB control, and a design that's sure to make any PC stand out.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.